रस्त्यांची अवतिकाय जाल्या ताच्या खातीर पुरायपणान आदलो भौशीक बांदकाम मंत्री आनी खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांक जापसालदार धरपाक जाय अशें पणजेचो आमदार आनी महसूल मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरातान म्हटलें. काब्रालान कंत्राटदाराचो परवानो रद्द केलो म्हूण प्रश्न सुटावो जावचो ना. हे कामाक मान्यताय दिवपी अधिकाऱ्यांचेर लेगीत कारवाय जावंक जाय अशें तो म्हणटा.
Actually, PW minister is not to be blamed because what has been done was by his predecessors. So as far as what the PW minister is taking action is always welcome. But still, I request the PW minister to go into the details as far as who basically identify the accountability to as far as the officers are concerned. He has taken action. He is studying the matter, and I am sure that Mr. Cabral will take the right decision. I don't actually blame the contractor. I blame basically the officers. The most important thing is the technical staff. See, we now and then we have been saying that in January or December we said, Baba, roads are bad. That road needs to be asphalted as far as Panjim is concerned. You have asphalted the roads. Now, first of all, it is mandatory for any engineer. आता तुका तो जॉबाक घेतलो 15 years domicile हें जाय तुका. That I have been in Goa for 15 years. So he doesn't know the climatic condition of Goa is my simple question to him. And then the most important thing, we have told you to do the roads for monsoon. We didn't tell you to do the road before monsoon, that in the monsoon it should go. That is important. So what is the productivity is not there, no?